Welcome to our groundbreaking at the Courtyards at White Oaks. This is a fantastic community located in Dublin in Jerome Village, right off Orion Parkway.
The Chamber of Commerce is really excited to welcome Epcon to this new community. We were a part of Highlands, and we thank you for including us in that. And we're just excited to be a partner, and we look forward to many more years of partnering with Epcon.
White Oaks consists of 94 home sites where we will be building our luxury ranch homes with all the amenities that you've come to expect from Epcon communities. We'll have walking paths, we'll have 2 ponds in the community, a clubhouse, pickleball, bocce ball. This is our 4th opportunity in Jerome Village. The other 3 have been a raving success, so if you've missed your opportunity there, come back out here and see us. This is a fantastic location. We think you'll love it. There are quick move-in inventory available, so if you're in a hurry and need something quickly, we can help you there. You can also build. We're open 7 days a week from 10 to 5, and staff is ready and on site to help you out. So if you want to check us out, come on by, and we'd love to see you.